this is how you can get more than 20% discount using the Hostinger plans that I am providing you in this video. So firstly, I am inside hostinger.com, and inside it's VPS hosting. So let's go ahead and open the or choose a plan that you need. For instance, for this video I'll be choosing the last option, which is $20 per month. So as you can see, now without discount it's going to charge $479 for 4 years, sorry, for 24 months, which is 2 years. Now here are some of the discounts, that the coupons that I have here. If I have to simply go ahead and choose the first one, which is discount 7% or discount 7, now you can just simply go ahead and paste that and find out how much that is going to give you a discount. So let's put that amount here. That will be 446. Okay, 446. How about the second coupon that I have here? Let's go ahead and insert that. Okay, it's 431, right? That is the second coupon code, 431. How about the EMITREVIEWS? That is again 431. So as you can see, that is not again a lot of discount. Okay, this one is from Namecheap. That one is also from Namecheap. How about HISHAMSARWAR? Let's go ahead and type that out again here and find out the result. So okay, again 431. So as you can see, there is not much discount. As you can see, all of them are almost similar. How about the last one, ismailblogger? That is also another coupon that I have here. Okay, let's go ahead and insert that. Again 431. That is so there's also the coupon code of Black Friday. So let's go ahead and type that out here. Black Friday. Okay, so spelling of black is wrong, BLACK, and now apply. Again 431. So as you can see, all of these plans are going to give you discount. So as you can see, 431, that is the initial price was $479. So that is not a lot of discount compared to what I'm going to provide. So here are the links that I have provided or uploaded inside Google Drive. So you can just simply, I'll put this link in the description. You can just simply copy one of this link and then paste it, and then go ahead and check it out how much discount is going to give you. So we are looking for the VPS hosting. So where is VPS hosting? Let me go ahead. There's cloud hosting, that is WordPress hosting, that is agencies, that is VPS. So let's just go ahead and copy that. Why it's not copying, I have no idea why. Okay, now that I think that I have copied that. Yes, so as you can see, hostinger.com, VPS hosting, referral. Okay, right click is not working here, so therefore you have to simply press Ctrl+C on the keyboard, or you can just simply download it inside your computer and then open it using a notepad. So as you can see, here is the referral link of mine, and now if I have to simply go ahead and choose a plan, and let's see how much discount is going to give us. I think it will give more than 20% discount. So as you can see, the discount is 383. Now my method, which one is better, you have to decide them yourself. $383. Now if you have to go ahead and calculate that between the 479 minus by 431, all of these coupons is going to give you only $48 of discount. And if I have to simply go ahead and discount the 479 minus by 383, so as you can see, it's going to give you $96 of discount. So that is a lot compared to the other coupons. So please keep in mind that I cannot share them inside YouTube directly, because it will be against policy violation of the Hostinger plans. Therefore, whichever hosting unit, all you have to do is just simply copy them, and once you have copied that, open your favorite browser and then just simply enter, or all you can do is just simply make sure you have to apply this referral link at the end. So as you can see, there is one, the referral code is 1ABBAS97. You can just simply apply it inside any URL of Hostinger, and it's going to give you more discount compared to the I don't know, that there are 10% or maybe 5% discount that these people are providing for you. I hope this video was helpful to you, and for now, have a nice day and goodbye.